Gũkũ nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Kwĩna mbara nene mũno yambĩkĩtwo gũkũ nenda-inĩ. Matiang'i nĩararehe mbara thĩinĩ wa United Opposition, na Matiang'i nĩararehe njĩtũkano nene mũno. Na maũndũ maya mothe magĩkĩka, I can only blame Uhuru na kĩama gĩake kĩa Jubilee, tondũ aingĩ ao arĩa mekuo nĩo maratambia rũmena na njĩtũkano ĩno yothe. Ĩka hihi marenda ũtongoria wa must go ũgacoka makĩrehe njĩtũkano ĩno? Gũkinya na harĩa gũkinyĩte thaa ici, andũ aya amwe arĩa me thĩinĩ kana arĩa mabuata andũ ma PNU, andũ a Jubilee, rĩu mahuana tarĩ maraforce andũ mende Matiang'i, na magaforce atĩrĩrĩ atĩ Matiang'i no nginya agathana. In fact eno ũmwe wa PNU nĩ supporter wa Matiang'i, makauga Matiang'i no nginya agakorwo thĩinĩ wa United, agakorwo thĩinĩ wa ballot. Riweri Waro auga no nginya agakorwo thĩinĩ wa ballot. Ona United Opposition manoka na candidate wao ũrĩa makenda atĩ Matiang'i no nginya agakorwo thĩinĩ wa ballot box. Riweri Waro, Kuva Makanga, Kuva Dereva, nĩkĩ maraforce Matiang'i arũgame ũguo? Marauga atĩrĩrĩ atĩ Kalonzo hajatosha mboga, atĩ Kalonzo ndaiganĩte, o marenda Matiang'i na no nginya Kenya mavotere Matiang'i. The big question is, Matiang'i nĩetengania na United Opposition, athiĩ nyiki, ndarakosoa ona regime ĩno, ndauga ona one term. As we speak tutigwa akiuga one term, tutigwa akiuga Ruto must go. Atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ atĩa kaũndũ karĩkũ kena Matiang'i? Matiang'i is a weapon formed from a point of view so far. Na ngĩrona ũrĩa andũ marareact amwe nocio, it's like a weapon formed gũkanagĩũkania kura cia United Opposition igetha kwe mũndũ gwĩtwo must go kanya. Reke tũthome ũigue mũndũ ũyũ ũmwe ũrĩa augĩte. Ũyũ nĩ mũndũ wa PNU na thĩinĩ nĩ support Matiang'i njene mũno. No ndamũthomeire mũthenya wa ira, retwo Chege Majuice, ona hena post yake ĩngĩ ndamekire. Torai post ĩno. Read my lips because this is very important. With or without United Opposition, Matiang'i will offer his candidature to Kenyans. With or without United Opposition, Matiang'i will offer his candidature to Kenyans. Netagetia ũguo arauga atĩrĩrĩ no akarũgama. It will be left at of sent Kenyans who are above 18 years to decide the kind of leadership they want. I myself have said time and again, I don't need to be told by anyone who to vote. I've been in this country long enough. I've seen all these people aspiring while in office, and they did, and I know the right person. I've seen all these people is aspiring while in office and what they did, and I know the right person. Okay? With or without United Opposition, Matiang'i mrauga no nginya agakorwo ake irefaine. Kwĩgũtha gĩthũri ũũ, andũ aya nĩo marathũkĩria Matiang'i. As we speak, United Opposition is very strong. Irenda mrehe line up. Kwĩna Eugene Wamalwa, Natembeya, Boni Halwale, Peter Salasya kuma Western. Kwĩna Ukambani Kalonzo Musyoka na Wiper yothe. Mount Kenya kwĩna mũndũ wĩtwo Rigathi Gachagua, and the entire Mount Kenya no me a majority me behind mũndũ wĩtwo Rigathi Gachagua. Kwĩgũtha gĩthũri gĩkĩ atĩ no nginya agakorwo hoi, no problem. But United Opposition no marafinga thirikari o nĩo rĩtwa rĩao rĩ igũrũ, ũrĩa makarũgamia nĩ agakorwo akĩendeka mũno. Politics is about kwĩyendia. Politics is about gũthi kwĩra andũ kwa thio no na ukosoa thirikari. Wewe ũrenda gĩtĩ gĩa president, ndwakosoa thirikari, wĩ hau ukona kũratia. United Opposition as speak has numbers. kura cia Kenya shikagio na blocks. We have Mount Kenya block, we have Ukambani block, we have Western block. Matiang'i ena Nyamira na Kisii block. Kura cia Nyamira na Kisii ni cigana. In fact, after demise of Raila Odinga, Kisii na Nyamira e Nyanza. Niki ataingira Nyanza athi ethe kana popularize kana athi ethe kura ku popularize Jubilee ku. Tondu aumite Nyanza, ko aumite Nyanza region. Niki ataingira ku tuone agetha kura. Kugutha githuri goko watuma Matiang'i. Onoke na baitha tona ku. I tell you for real. Hena kaundu kangi kabetie gutambio na kwina narrative ino yabetie gutambio. Na muko naona andu amwe makigeria gutambia narrative ino to nyonete riu andu aigana ona makigeria gutambia narrative ino. Makamutua uyu ni wa United Opposition ale mundu wa Raila ni gethe ni advisor wa Kinara. Uyu ni advisor namba 56. Kinara by the advisor igana. Nege no tu yolo agithie na mbere. Riu makamutua hena kana narrative mabetie kurehe. Makambia kuga atiriri ati riu Rigathi ni abetie ati riu Rigathi arauga atiriri akenda 50% ya thirikari iria kombo ni Kalonzo. The big question is ona ithurano citikuhĩrĩirie maundu maya mako makerio thaa ici ni tene muno. I don't believe what this guy is saying. Na kwina andu marambia kubai narrative ino na narrative ino nio ikwambia riu wikoria nio ikwambia riu gutonyio kuri andu. Heno ratoni muthenya wa ira kwina Ukambani, kwina Nyanza, kwina Western, kwina Mount Kenya. Guti hingo ati Rigathi agia 50% of the government, yet kwina region iria ingi na kwina region ingi cikuingira. Not possible. Matakirieri tore kwari Ruto na Rigathi wacio mwaka 27. We have different regions. They have to balance. So this narrative ni ya maheni awite makamutua. You demand 50% of the government and the first ballot hasn't been cast yet. On what basis can you deliver even that % of vote? I'm being generous here. It's this hubris and shameless enthronement that got you impeached. Maigwa, SKM kana Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka will be foolish to drink from that poisoned chalice. No menya riu we. Aya ni andu amarenda riu ati riu Kalonzo aigire thiini wa regime ino ya Ruto by force. Nikio marambia kurehe narrative ino. But Kalonzo knows very well. And Rigathi wacagua ena kuresha Mount Kenya. He knows very well. Na mudureto Kalonzo niona riu mambia kuhurwo ni andu a Matiang'i because they know Kalonzo ni chosen. Ni mamia riu we Matiang'i wao ndekuona nafathi. Kalonzo anerwo Kalonzo tosha hena probability nene tondu matina probability nene ni agacida. That's all ona magikora ona andu acio nao ni ndona as we speak ni mambite gutumirwo ni andu a methaini wa regime eno. They are being used by the way. Nikio ndo atiriri from my point of view we can't trust Matiang'i 100% because kwina maundu maigana na turona andu acio marauga methaini wa United Opposition no kwa attack United Opposition. Mundu ndona kuri akiaria no Paul Njoroge is very genuine na United Opposition ni ali horo United Opposition in a positive way Paul Njoroge, but aya agi majority they should know that their candidate has failed. Their candidate daravie na kiria candidate darahurana their candidate no kirakirete davie na mishamanio ya United Opposition iyo ni era trend makiria. So agithia nyiki uguo hakuna kitu hapo. Hana numbers. Election is about numbers. Hana numbers. Anyway, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Huo ni podcast. Thank you. God bless you.